Hey, what's happening? What's up? This your boy Mike Williams, MikeWilliamsPro.com, shooting this quick video today to show you how you can make upwards of $200+ a day utilizing the internet. Are you tired of being broke? Are you tired of watching everybody else win? Are you tired of not living the life you deserve? Well, the time is now. I'm going to show you how to unleash your best potential and create 6 figures online with affiliate marketing. So yeah, guys, listen, I've been doing affiliate marketing for over 10 years now. It's been a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful journey. And before we get into the content, if you're interested in learning how to make affiliate marketing a career, you need a little bit more information than what I'm sharing today. There's a link below that will take you to my affiliate webinar. It's a great webinar. It really breaks down things for you so you can get a full view of how to really crush it online, and you can actually join my team and I can mentor you to you getting the results that you're looking for. Just to show you some results real quick, this is my shopping cart. This is from September 1st up until today, which is December 6th, and I can also refresh this screen. All right, I can refresh the screen and I can go and change the dates again, right? Go back to September 1st up until December 6th, and you see $46,000 made in this one particular program. Okay, just putting it all out there for you guys to see, to show you that yes, I am making money. Those are real transactions. Those are real refunds, right? Because that's business, right? If you want to build a business, business comes with its ups, its downs, its pros, and its cons. But in the end of the day, to be able to make $46,000 in, I don't know, what's that, 4 months from the comfort of your cell phone and your computer, that's a thumbs up to me. All right. Actually, profits 41,000 if I want to be technical. But anywho, let's go over to my bubble.us. I don't want to take too much of your time. I kind of just want to give you a little bit of understanding of how you can make, let's say $200 a day. Okay. The first thing you're going to need is you're definitely going to need a product, right? A program or service. Okay. Once you get really good at this, you can create your own product, program, and service. For me, I'm all about being an affiliate, right? Right? I don't want to create the product, I don't want to create the program, and I don't want to create the service. I just want to sell it, right? I don't want to do customer service. I don't want to update products, programs, and services, none of that stuff. I just want to sell it and give me a commission. So that's what affiliate marketing is in a nutshell. Now, when you talk about affiliate marketing, I suggest you do direct sales. Okay, direct sales. Why direct sales? Okay, there's a difference. In affiliate marketing, you usually don't need to purchase a product, program, or service. You can kind of get an affiliate link, you can promote the affiliate link, and you can make money. All right. The thing you'll have to invest in is either website traffic, or if you're going to design a website or do any type of branding, stuff, things of that nature, you're going to have to spend money for that to set up your business and so forth and so on. With direct sales, there's usually a resale price, right? Reseller's price, right? Reseller's cost. The reseller's cost is usually you just simply buying maybe a level. You're buying a program so that you can get the resale rights. Okay, so I'll just put it there, buying a program. So for example, if you're getting involved in a direct sales company, you're going to purchase their product, program, or services, whatever it might be, for your own personal use. But at the same time, it also gives you the reseller rights to go out there and market it and so forth and so on. Now, what I suggest is finding a program that's going to pay you, number one, 100% commission. Okay, so there's companies out there, right? There's companies that will pay you 100% commission. And what they usually do is, so for example, let's say a product costs $1,000, all right? The customer will probably be charged something like $1,100, okay? And the cost of the program would go back to the affiliate, which would be the $1,000, all right? And then the administration fee, usually it will go back to the company. So that's how the company kind of uses money to build its brand and so forth and so on. And then the 1,000 is you. So 100% commission. You definitely want to look for that, right? And you want to look for big ticket, right? That's why I said $1,000 product, because you want to look for big ticket. I'd rather invest, $500, $1,000, or $2,000 into a program if it's going to give me the resale rights to go out there and sell that program for that amount of money as well. I'd rather deal with less people, right? I'd rather deal with less people and make more money. I shouldn't need to sell 1,000. Here's the pros and cons of working from home. Pros, you're home with your kids. Cons, you're home with your kids. Guys, I'm shooting a video. I'm teaching people how to make $200 a day online. All right? Thank you. I'll be done and we can talk about that, okay? Close the door. I love you. Like I said, pros and cons of working from home. Pros, your kids are here. Cons, your kids are here. But anyway, 100% commission. That's what you want to look for. You want to look for a big ticket program, and you want to look for a program that pays you directly. Okay, directly. So, for example, I make 100% commission. When I make $1,000 sale, I get paid directly. So I can get paid directly via PayPal or merchant account, however you want to collect payment, right? And it goes directly to you. So you don't have to wait 2 weeks, a month, 2 months to get your commission. Your commission comes right away. So that's the power of 100% commission, big ticket programs, pays directly. And you can use that money that you get paid directly to do what? Scale up the business. So you can reinvest back into the business. You can get better branding. You can get more traffic. For those who are new, if you don't know what traffic is, okay? Traffic equals people, okay? Traffic equals people. You need people to see your offers, right? You need people to see your affiliate offers. So you're going to get traffic. Traffic can come in many ways. So for example, let's break it down again. Let's make another little bubble here. I love my little bubbles. So you have a website, right? Your website is usually given to you by the program, okay? Usually given to you by the program, all right? So when you're new, you don't have to worry about making a website. Like literally, there will be a website given to you that will be coded to you. But the only downside to that is that there might be 1,000 other affiliates with the same website. The only difference will be the affiliate ID at the end of that website. So it's always good to be original, but when you first getting started, it doesn't matter. All right, so you get your website. That's step number one, because you've chosen your program. All right, sorry for the yelling, guys. Step number two, you're going to get traffic to that website. All right, you will need to get traffic to the website. And how are you going to do that? All right, so traffic comes in many forms: free, paid. All right, and I'm gonna give you an example of free and paid. Free and paid. Okay, free could be, for example, social media, right? Facebook, right? Instagram, right? Anything in that. YouTube, right? Those are all free methods. On YouTube, you can make videos about the product, program, or service, and as people are searching for the product, program, and service that come up in YouTube, they watch videos, you get to make a sale, okay? There's paid. What does that mean? Pay per click. So, for example, Google or Bing. You ever heard of search engine websites? Okay, I'll put Bing because Google doesn't really like how to make money programs or any type of direct sale programs, but Bing does. So when people go and type in, how to lose 30 pounds in a month or whatever, and you tell Bing, I'm going to buy that keyword, and every time that keyword comes up and somebody clicks on it, Bing will tell you how much you're going to pay per click, okay? And that's just getting traffic to your website, all right? Once you get traffic, you got to test. You got to test and see what's working, right? What's working and what's not working, right? You got to know what's working and what's not working. And 4, scale up. So once you discover what's working and you're continuously learning about the business, the opportunity, the way to get more traffic, the way to get more sales, as you continue to learn, you're going to scale up your business, right? You're going to spend more money, more time, more energy into growing the business. A lot of people look at affiliate marketing as just kind of like get rich quick thing, but it's not. All right, you actually have to operate like a business. You get started. You're gonna invest your hard-earned money to get started. Then you got to take some time to scale. Put all the components together. Get your traffic, people to see your offers, and people to buy. And then people will start buying stuff, right? And as you stick around my videos, I'm going to teach you more and more about list building and building your own database and all these cool things. But the 4 things right now, what you need to focus on, a couple of things. Look for 100% commission programs, big ticket programs, because we don't want to make a bunch of sales. I'd rather make 3 sales and still make $3 grand. Pays you directly, okay? And these are just simply the 4 steps of making it happen. Website, traffic, test, and scale up, and so forth and so on. That's how you're really going to get to the next level. Now, as far as like, this is a YouTube video. I can't explain everything to you in a YouTube video. So I have a free webinar, literally free, okay? Right below the descriptions, free webinar. I go through this thing, okay? I go through it. What products and programs to pick, where you can find them from, how to market them. Like, oh man, it's a jam-packed webinar, okay? Because I can't teach you everything on a 10-minute YouTube video. But, the webinar is really jam-packed, a lot of information, quality information, okay? You can take the information and run with it. You can join me on my team and get, work hand-in-hand with me. But most importantly, watch the webinar. Really, truly understand exactly what affiliate marketing is and how you can crush it. It's your boy, Mike Williams. These are the fundamentals of how you can start making upwards of $200 plus a day utilizing the internet. Are you tired of being broke? Are you tired of watching everybody else win? Are you tired of not living the life you deserve? Well, the time is now. I'm going to show you how to unleash your best potential and create 6 figures online with affiliate marketing.